Welcome to today's video tutorial, where we'll show you how to showcase your stunning long height images using the image scroller feature in the Essential Addons for Elementor plugin. One of the standout features of Essential Addons for Elementor is the image scroller. It's perfect for displaying those beautiful long height images that deserve to be showcased in a captivating way. To get started, first install Essential Addons plugin. Install the plugin and, after activation, go to the plugin settings to ensure that you enable the image scroller widget. To use this Essential Addons element, find the EA Image Scroller element from the search option under the Elements tab. Simply just drag and drop the EA Image Scroller into the drag widget here. From the Content tab, you can add your preferred background image. From this section, you can change the height of the image container. Make sure that the container height is less than the image height itself. With vertical direction selected, your image will be scrolled from up to down, and vice versa. You can use the toggle to turn on or off the auto scroll option. If it's enabled, then simply just hover your mouse over the background image, and you will see the scrolling effect in real time. Besides, you can change the scroll duration as well. The lower the number is, the faster the scrolling effect will be. And voila! Within moments, you will have a visually stunning image scroller that beautifully displays your long height images. With horizontal direction selected, your image will be scrolled from right to left. Let's try this. By following the basic steps, you can configure your image scroller as per your preference. Simply just hover your mouse over the image. You will be able to view the nice scrolling effect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials on Elementor and Essential Addons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.